If you're facing a problem where iPhone GPS is not working or in an inaccurate location, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, try to restart your iPhone. This frequently clears temporary software glitches affecting GPS. The second is going to be by heading into your settings and then heading into your privacy and security settings right inside of here, and then tapping on location services and then turn it off for 10 seconds and then turn it on again. So that could go ahead and fix it. If that doesn't work, try turning on the airplane mode on and then turning it off. If that also doesn't fix it, then what you need to do is head into your privacy and security again, and then head into your location service and check if the application that you want your location on does have a precise location enabled right over here. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.